HLFT-42 is a trainer aircraft, it's a lead-in fighter trainer aircraft which was conceived some time back. We've been strategizing over lead-in fighter training for a long time. We created a LCA lead-in fighter trainer, which is great for air forces with limited capabilities. Air forces around the globe want LCA lead-in fighter trainer, but Indian Air Force has very large aspirations, very large area to cover. It needs an aircraft which has got much greater capabilities as a training platform. Therefore, we had to conceive an aircraft dedicatedly for that role, for which LCA trainer, which is a type trainer, was not created. Therefore, we came out with a concept, ab initio concept called HLFT, Hindustan Lead-in Fighter Trainer. This will train pilots for very high performance single crew aircraft like AMCA, LCA Mark II, TEDBF, and other future aircraft that might come up. Those are all single-seater aircraft. They don't have any trainer, so they need to have training from somewhere. This is the aircraft which will provide them the training.